Hi, fourth grade artists. So today we're going to draw some shapes using perspective to make them look a little bit three-dimensional. We're going to work with a vanishing point like we did in one of our other drawings on perspective. All right, so get yourself some paper, some coloring materials, and let's get started. Okay, so I have my paper, my pencil, and my ruler, and I'm ready to get started. We're going to use a ruler for this one, and make sure you do because I can tell if you don't. So in the middle of the paper, we're going to start by putting a vanishing point like this. And we're not going to do a horizon line this time. We're just going to draw shapes, and we're going to make them look three-dimensional and give it a little bit of perspective. So you could use a ruler to draw your shapes. I'm just going to freehand it and just draw random shapes around this vanishing point. When I draw a star, I like to do this lightly first and then just kind of go over it. Erase these inside parts here. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a rectangle here, this shape here, triangle, rectangle, and a circle. All right, so now I'm going to use a ruler to line up every corner to this vanishing point like this. Every single corner. Here, from here to here, and see it starts to look three-dimensional. So I'm going to do this one here. Every corner that you can be able to line up. That one would be too much of a side there. Here, this corner. It just has to match up to that vanishing point or else it will not. Now here's, you could just go right there so that it's not, you're not putting any lines through it. We don't want to make it see-through. We want it to just come off the edges. See that? Wherever you can line up that edge. Whoops. Here. I'm going to actually go from inside here. I'm not going to go in, but I'm going to go from the corner right here, here, here. Okay, so you just, whatever shapes, your shapes can be big, they can be small, and even from this circle, we'll do a little edge here, and an edge here. See that? So now I'm going to take my marker, I'm going to trace it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I traced my shapes with the black marker and I started coloring them in. So we're going to make them look a little bit more three-dimensional by the way that we color them. So I started coloring them, and then I'm using, what I did is I colored the shape here, and I'm coloring it a little bit lighter as I go down, and all the way to the bottom we're making it dark so it looks like it's going into the center there. And then I'm going to use the complementary color at the bottom as well to just kind of blend it in to give it a little bit more dimension. See that? Color it lighter, and then as you go to the bottom, it's darker. And then it just gets lighter. Orange's complementary color is blue, so I'm just going to go in the bottom here with a little of that blue. And what did I not use yet? Oh, try some yellow. And then as I get to the bottom, I'm going to color it darker. And yellow's complementary color is purple, so I'm going to put a little bit of purple in here. Okay. Use some green here. Light, and then as we get down here, it's darker. And green's complementary color is red. So I'll throw some of that down there. Okay, and then I'm going to use, for over here, I'm going to use some gray because I didn't use that color yet. I used my primaries and secondaries. It's lighter. And we get darker down here. Okay, and then here I'm gonna throw in some blue. And again, you can use whatever colors you want, but I think it looks more interesting as you get darker, lighter to darker. So it looks like the sun is shining on the top of the shapes and it gets darker as it gets further in. Oh, and I'm gonna use this pink here. Press hard, darker here, and it's lighter here. And let's see, with pink, maybe I'll use red. Okay, and there you have it. Three-dimensional shapes using a vanishing point in the center. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Don't forget to send me a picture. Thanks, bye-bye.